we use a Mototote Sport hitch carrier. It's a heavy-duty steel rack that can hold up to 600 pounds. It is built for the mission-critical life, but it changes how we use the van. It's held up well over the 6,000 miles we traveled so far to Puerto Vallarta as of this video's production. I have to remove the 350 pounds of motorcycle. To open the rear doors. It sticks out behind the van, making us much longer and heavier. It's a puzzle of logistics. Is a hitch carrier worth the squeeze? Let us know your favorite way to haul a bike. Hitch carrier or trailer? Which one would you choose for a long, overland, international trip?